Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let us learn another beautiful style with your achoke material. What I'm holding on my hand is achoke material. You can use Akara for it. You can use Seiko material. Okay, what is on my hand is 4 layers of achoke. You can even use 3 layers or even 2 layers of achoke to tie the head wrap. So pleating it a little bit, taking it to the back, place it on your head the way I did. The division is 50-50. Just share it 2 equal half. Then place it on your head. Wash my hand closely. Wash, then I twisted it. The one that is normally on the right comes to the left. The one that is on left comes to the right. Wash closely. Please wash my hand closely. Don't say it's difficult. Just practice it and you will get it. Alright, so making sure now you're using the front edge. I drag a little part, watch closely down and pin it in the middle. Wash. If pinning is your problem, just devise a means of pinning it. Whether you're pinning, dragging down, or raise a little part up and pin. Pin it anywhere you know you can pin it and it will hold it very firm. Go ahead and do it. Okay, so what I did to this other side now, I'm doing it to this side now. You see, I drag a little part down to the middle, then I use my office pin to be precise and pin, so the base of the head wrap is firm already. So I'm going to work on the 2 edges. So watch now what I'm doing, raising it up a little bit. I pleated it like 2-3 pleats, then I started squeezing it and holding it under my hand while I hold the edges with the other hand. Watch closely, watch what I'm doing. So you're going to create a kind of ruffles now without pin. So squeezing it, then I bring that edge, I fold it inside a little bit, then I use my office pin to hold it. Okay, watch closely. I use my office pin to hold it. Please don't mind my face or don't mind what I'm saying. Somebody is talking to me that time. Alright, so you can see now, use office pin to hold it. Okay, watch closely. Watch. Now what I did to this other side, now I'm going to do it this side as well. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, please do want to drop your like. Don't just watch and walk away. Drop your like. If actually what you're watching makes sense, drop your like, drop your comment, share my videos. Above all, practice the same makes perfect. Don't say it's difficult. It's not difficult. Just practice it. Try it, you will get it. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice, as I said, is Demi Entertainment on Facebook and Demi Igile Empire on YouTube. Yes, please come, let's learn together. Alright, so you can see what I did to this other side. I did it here now, so I'm done. No, it's just for you to adjust it. You can see your perfect 2-sided ruffle head wrap is ready. Ready. So just for you to adjust it, and you can see you create a ruffle without actually much pin. Look at it now. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it cute? Isn't it elegant? Alright, so now let's go to the back and have it closed. Alright, so you drag the little excesses that remain at the back, then you use the office pin to pin it. You can actually tie this particular style without closing the back. The choice is yours. Alright, I've tied this style using Akara material on my Facebook page. Okay, so now I'm using Ashoki material. You can see how beautiful, how cute, how elegant it is. Watch it now. Isn't it cute? That is what the back look like. That is the side, and here we go. That can see, we are ready to party. So please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.